Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use audiosource in Unity to add sound effects and music to your game. What is the audiosource component? The audiosource component in Unity is responsible for playing audio clips in a scene. It is used to play sound effects, SFX, background music, voiceovers, and other audio elements. Main features: plays audio clips opening parenthesis .wav, .mp3, .ogg. Controls volume, pitch, and looping, supports 3D spatial sound for realistic effects. Can be controlled through scripts to play, pause, or stop sounds dynamically. Key properties: clip gives the audio file assigned to the audio source. Planoid gives plays audio automatically when the scene starts. Loop gives repeats the audio continuously if enabled. Volume gives controls the sound level 0.0 to 1.0. Pitch gives adjusts the playback speed and tone of the audio. First, I create a folder named Sound in the project panel. This folder helps me organize my sound effects properly. Then I add the audio files I want to use into this folder. I recommend you do the same. Now, in order to play the sounds, we need to add an audio source component. This component allows us to control and play audio clips in our scene. Let's go ahead and create it. Now, I'm going to explain 3 different ways to use the audio source component. The first method will be a manual setup, which is ideal for playing a fixed background music track. In this approach, we will assign an audio clip directly to the audio source component and ensure that it plays automatically when the scene starts. We use getComponent to access components attached to a game object in the Unity editor. This allows us to control and modify the properties of the audio source component via code. Now, we drag and drop our audio clip into the audio source component in the inspector. After that, we start the game and the assigned audio will play automatically. As you can see, our sound is playing successfully. However, it only plays once. If we want it to loop continuously, we can enable the looping option. Let's go ahead and do that. Now, let's go ahead and create a few more examples to explore different ways of using the audio source component. This time, instead of manually assigning the audio clip in the inspector, we will set it up through code. When the game starts, the audio source will automatically play the audio clip. This method gives us more control, as we can dynamically assign and manage audio files during runtime. Let's go ahead and implement this now. Now, we will drag and drop our audio clip from the project folder into the script. By doing this, we can dynamically assign the clip to the audio source component during runtime. Now, let's assume we have 2 different game currency sound effects. In this example, we will call and play these sounds one after another, ensuring that each sound plays in sequence. Let's implement this. You can create as many audio clip objects as you like. However, if you need more than 2, it's a good idea to use a list to store them. Since we're working with just 2 clips in this example, there's no need for a list. Let's keep it simple and work directly with the 2 clips. Now, let's assign the audio clip objects to the clips we created through the project panel. If we don't assign them, the code won't work properly and we'll get a null reference exception error. So make sure to drag the clips into the script's respective fields in the inspector to avoid this issue. Yes, our sound effect is working perfectly now. We've reached the end of the video, and I hope it has been helpful. In the next video,